Hello everyone, this is Joe Picks. I'm Joe, and today I'm very excited to be picking my first Lockwood on camera. What a lovely key. And I picked this off camera. I was just too excited. So let me get this in the vise just enough that when the tailpiece turns, it's not bound up. Let's see, that's too small. That's perfect. Here's the bitting on the key. Some nice lows in the front and highs in the back. I'm going to be using my lovely new pick from Butcher's Block, who also sent me this lock. This is in 15 thousandths. With this I'm able to pick from the bottom of the keyway. This thing gives just a ton of counter rotation and a lot of small clicks. I haven't gutted it yet, so I'm really excited to see what's inside this. It's been my experience so far that I tend to set and drop and kind of set and drop again. There we go, false set. I was overset somewhere. There we go. Got it open. Gonna keep a hold of that as I completely drop it. There we go. Open. Very, very cool. Now let's make a bunch of noise. Got stuff everywhere. Please come out of here. All right, so let's grab a screwdriver that I have nowhere near where I was working. Go ahead and lock this back up. And Butcher's Block, if you're watching this, I am just absolutely thrilled. These picks are amazing. I love them. They feel wonderful in the hand, and they are just beautiful. So let's grab the key that I left on the vise. Go ahead and put a shim in here. It's a tight fit for the shim, I'll tell you that. There we go. 3D print stuff. Oh, very nice. A spool with very, like very shallow spool, very thin lips on there. Nice little ledges to get caught on. Same in 2. Same in 3. Sounds like my boy's excited about something. Very neat. So every single one of these is that same spool, which makes sense because there's a little bit of counter rotation right from the beginning. Very, very nice. Check those out. Anyway, that's all I have for you today. Thank you all so much for watching. If you like the video and you'd like to see more of my videos, please like, please subscribe, and have a great day. Thank you.